really want to buy it. I'll be there soon. Wait. Yay! Now I have my own airplane.
Ouch! Oh, no!
My airplane needs an overhaul. Hello? I need this, and this.
Yeah!
Now we can start the renovations.
Yeah!
I think the plane needs to add some color. Smudge! I need some help. Hello, help me paint my airplane.
Okay, I'll be right there. Okay, I have an idea.
It's finished. Now, the cabin. Shoo, shoo. My plane is ready now. Hey, look at the airplane I made. Stand by. We're about to take off. Oh, we don't have a pilot. I have an idea. It's done. Now we have our own pilot. Let's fly! Look! Pyramids! Sphinx! Oh, Mommy. It's Egypt. Look! Koalas and kangaroos! It's Australia! Look! A sakura! It is Japan!
Kids, walk the dogs.
We want real dogs.
But they're even better than real dogs.
We'll show you there was.
Hmm?
Here's the first challenge. Go down the stairs like real dogs. You didn't make it. If you want a sausage, bring me the bowl. They can't catch the ball like we dogs.
Uh-oh!
Go get him!
Oh, so cute doggies.
Okay, you can guard the house. Let's go, doggies! Okay, let's test your strength. Okay, you did it! Dog obstacle course time. Only real dogs can do this. Now it's the Robo-Dog's turn. Let's go!
Okay, you convinced me. The big dog is for Nikki, and the small one is for Eva. And I'll make a coffee maker out of you. Where are you going? I was joking.
Eva, let's go play.
You must wear hats when you are at the beach. Steak. sun is shining too bright. You should apply sunscreen.
It's sticky.
Yeah!
I have to distract Mommy before she comes up with something else.
Nikki, where are you? Oh no, Nikki.
Can I help you?
Eva, stop! Don't enter the water without the swimming vest and inflatable armbands. Wait! Everything is now safe. You can only go in the water with your parents.
Whew. It's hot. I'm so thirsty.
Nikki, you need to drink lots of water at the beach.
Thank you.
Nikki, we should take care of nature. Trash should only be thrown at the trash can.
All right.
Yeah!
It's time to cool off. Kids, look! Different fish and squid. Try to catch them.
Yeah!
What?
Yeah!
There's a storm coming. We've got to get to the shore.
Oh no! No more swimming.
You can't go into the sea in the storm, but you can play on the shore. Find the treasure I've hidden.
Yeah!
Wow!
Uh-oh! Yeah!
That does not fit. What? Wow!
Hey, Eva, Nikki, can you help me?
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm making a 3-floor house with colorful blocks.
Yes, let's build together.
What? We need more blocks.
Okay. New blocks are here. Ouch!
Great, well done. Thanks.
We need need more blocks.
Oh!
Dad, we found more blocks.
Okay, pass them here. Ouch! Ha!
Monster!
Monster! It's me, Daddy.
Daddy!
We are finished.
This is the place to rest. Eva, you rest on the ground floor, and I rest on the first.
Then I get the top floor.
There's nothing to rest on. Hello, I need some furniture. Yeah, the furniture's here.
Furniture? Oh, I want it too. What? What about me? Eva, can I have something for free? Nikki, can I have something for free?
No.
At least I'll eat something tasty to celebrate. Hi. Can I have something yummy, please?
Yeah!
My food. Yummy. Huh?